Does your shower feel more like a light drizzle than a refreshing spray? Do your faucets take forever to fill a pot? Low water pressure is a common and frustrating problem. While some issues require a professional, there are a few easy fixes you can check yourself before making a call. First, let's play detective. Is the low pressure happening at every faucet and shower in your home, or is it isolated to just one? If it's just one fixture, the problem is likely localized. If it's the whole house, the cause is more widespread. It's also a good idea to quickly check with a neighbor. If they're having issues too, it could be a municipal supply problem. If the problem is just at one sink or shower, the most common and easiest fix is a clogged aerator or shower head. Over time, mineral deposits build up and restrict water flow. Simply unscrew the tip of the faucet or the shower head, clean out the small screen inside, and screw it back on. You might be surprised at the difference this makes. Your home has two types of shutoff valves, one main valve that controls water to the entire house, and smaller ones for individual fixtures. Sometimes, after a repair or by accident, these valves can be left partially closed. Check to make sure your main water valve and the specific valve for the affected fixture are both turned to the fully open position. Many homes have a pressure-reducing valve, or PRV. It's a bell-shaped device usually located where the water line enters your house. Its job is to prevent pressure from being too high, but these valves can fail or be improperly adjusted, leading to low pressure. While some are adjustable, it's often best to have this component inspected by a professional. If none of these easy fixes work, the low pressure is likely a symptom of a more significant issue. This could be a hidden water leak somewhere on your property, or, especially in older homes, it could be caused by old pipes that have become corroded and clogged from the inside out over decades of use. When the simple checks don't solve the problem, you need an expert to accurately diagnose the cause of your low water pressure. For a comprehensive inspection and professional solutions, from leak detection to pipe repair, trust the team at Black Mountain Plumbing. Visit them at blackmountainplumbing.com or call today to get your water flowing strong again.